There we go. Hello, everybody. My name is Amy Cabrerra. Welcome to Roundtable. We're going to make this short today because we do have a meeting with the founder coming up at 3 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. He will be interviewed on how to be successful. So I would love for you all to be there. It was kind of a pop-up, so if y'all can be there, that'd be amazing. But I wanted to give you guys a little bit of motivation, which is why I chose that video. I always like to get things started on a positive note, understand that we are all capable of doing anything and everything, right? As long as we have a purpose, as long as we know our why. So, oh, I'm sorry, 6 p.m. PST. Why did I read that as EST? Hold on, let me look at the flyer. Oh, it is 6 p.m. PST. Okay, so 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Thank you, Tommy Joe. I am so used to everything on Epic coming out on Eastern Standard Time that clearly I need to train my eye a little bit more. Speaking of training our eyes, what I wanted to go over today, I kind of wanted to do somewhat of like a study hall, so to speak. What I want is for everybody in here to participate, okay? And what we're going to do is we actually did this on a smaller scale this morning, and I thought we would do it here. We are going to point out on this chart, so this is USDJPY, we're going to point out on this chart engulfing bars, okay, engulfing patterns. So everybody with me so far? Does everybody know what an engulfing pattern is? Give me a yes or no in the chat box. Yes or no in the chat box. Yes, yes, okay. Cool. All right, so I got 2 people that answered out of the 12. So out of the 11 rather. Okay, so this is gonna be an active participation class, you guys. So what I wanna do is essentially, I figured, you know, we're traders, right? We want to market our business as such. Well, in order to do that, we need to start recognizing these patterns. And it happens over time. It's not going to happen overnight. It happens with practice. We have Nate McEvey on the line, and I'm sure he would tell you the same thing. It doesn't happen overnight, right? We have to train our eye for specific things. So I figured today we would work on the engulfing patterns. And as soon as I get my controllers right, hold on one second. So what I want you guys to do, the way we can do this, and I was trying to figure out a way how you guys can tell me, either you can unmute yourself and describe where it is so I can mark it up, or you can type it in the chat box and just I would utilize the times on the bottom as a reference. So you see how here it says 1800, 15, 6 o'clock, 12 o'clock, etc. So you can use those as reference points, and I will go ahead and mark them up for you. So if you guys are not sure what it looks like, if you're like, what the heck are you talking about, Amy? Let me go ahead and pull up what it looks like. Everyone should already have downloaded this and looked this over. In the Epic University is the Candlestick Bible. Please, please, please make yourself flashcards so that you can start understanding what these patterns are and how they can potentially affect the trade, right? How they affect the charts, how they affect with your confluences and all of that stuff. So here's a bearish engulfing bar, and here is down here, a bullish engulfing bar. Okay, everybody with me? This is what it looks like. So bullish is here. And bearish is here, okay? So now, let's go ahead and kind of get in here, okay? Who would like to take a stab at it. You can either type it in the chat box or you can unmute yourself and see where you recognize a bullish or bearish engulfing bar on before 1500. Okay. Right here. Is this what you're talking about, Danny, right here? Let me mark it up. Here, is that right? Oops. Yes. Okay, cool. All right. Who else would like to take a stab at it? Yeah, there's so many controllers when you're host. Who else would like to take a stab at where there's a bullish engulfing bar or bearish engulfing bar? I don't know that there is that many on this one. Let me scoot it this way. At the 1500?
Well, now it moved. 18, between 12 and 18 at the bottom.
Wait, hold on 1 second. Can you say that again? There we go.
Between 12 and 18 at the bottom.
Okay. Sorry, it was coming from my headphones that I don't have in my ear. Are you talking about this right here?
No, all the way to the left of your screen.
Oh, the other
That
1500.
Yeah, that one.
Here?
Yep.
Okay. That way. Okay, like this. All right. Who else would like to take a stab at it?
The one that you thought she was looking at, that was the one I was going to suggest.
Over here? Okay. And Nathan Scott said at the 12:30. Hold on, I gotta move some stuff out of the way. The 12:30. So in here, okay. Right here is what I assume you're talking about. Okay, oops. All right. Anyone else? Good, you guys. You're not so shy all of a sudden. I like it. Anyone else?
At the top of the 9.
At the top of the 9 right here?
Yeah.
Okay. Oops. What happened? What happened? Top of the 9. Okay. Anyone else? Okay. I think that's pretty good for now. All right, so now we have to test our knowledge, okay? And this is something that our amazing Christina Bertels taught us this morning. You know, it's good practice to train your eyes, but then to also figure out, are you right or are you wrong, right? So I believe it is this one that I show. Yep. So now we get to see which ones we missed, and which ones were correct. So you guys did pretty good. Let's see. This is a doji. Let me let's see. Can't see where the actual, I think this one was not valid. That actually looks more to me like a harami. But this one was valid. This is valid. That looks like it's valid. It looks like there was 2 there. We missed these. And then this one was valid. Kind of cool, right? So you guys want to do it again? Let's scoot this over this way. Okay. Oops. Let me turn off the cheat sheet. Oops. Nope. Where'd it go? There we go. Okay. Hold on. I have something on that I'm not supposed to. Okay. All right. So let's do it again here. Who wants to take a stab at it? Give you guys a minute to look.
I don't know if I want to try again. Mine was the one that was wrong.
No, that's why you should try again. That's
That's
exactly why you should try again.
right above where your cursor is.
Here?
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
At the 18.
The 18. I assume here?
Yeah.
Okay. Nathan said at the 1450 bearish. I see it. Okay. Right here, Nathan? Is that right? No? Am I missing it? You want to unmute and tell me to the left or to the right? Because this is 4 bars up. Over here? Okay. Nathan, you took Christina's. All right. Who else? Who else wants to who else wants to give it a shot? Let's see. Anybody else? Shall we check now? Past the 9, just before the 12. Okay. In here, Annie? Or
Yes,
here?
no, up. That's it, yeah.
Right here? These two?
Yeah.
Okay. Oops. Okay. Anyone else? Shall we check? This is kind of fun. At least on my end. All right. Let's see. Everybody knows where they marked their stuff. Let's see if we were right. Oops, wrong one. All right. We got 2 out of the 4 almost. Oh no, we got 1 out of the 4 correct. All right. So why didn't this to me looks more like a harami almost. So what this one is calling the engulfing as this right here, these 2 little sticks right here. Oops. You guys see that? And I think correct me if I'm wrong, I don't know if Nate's still on the line, but I think this one is not valid because of this candle wick that goes above this larger bar. Is Nate still on the line? No. Where else? So that one was good. And I think what's happening is you guys are mistaking the harami for the bearish engulfing bar. So let's take a look at the difference, okay? So there's the engulfing bar here, but now if we go down, we can see, where is it? I forget the page that it's on. I gotta find the harami. No. Nope, not that one. Right here. So see the harami bullish pattern inside the bar is this way. And I believe if it's on the reverse, yep, then it's the bearish. So it's kind of like the mother and the baby. You guys see that? So big long candlestick, and then the baby, it's kind of like it's giving birth, right? It's kind of the way I think of it. So, and if you look here at what you guys identified over here, see like this one, this to me looks more like a harami. Would anybody else agree with that? Harami at 15. Yep, right here, right? This is the one that that Nathan rather, sorry, is pointing out, right? Big long candlestick, and then kind of like it's gonna give birth in a sense. It's having a baby. So that's what that one is. Let's see. Can anybody point out the hammers? Let's go ahead and delete all these. Please delete these. There we go. We'll take these off. Does anybody see a hammer? What is it called? To the left of 1800, second one. Oops. To the left. This one right here, Nathan? Okay. Whoa. Okay. Anywhere else? Yeah, he is. And so let's take a look at what that looks like, you guys, the hammer really quickly so that you guys can start identifying them on the chart, okay? There it is. Okay, so closing price, opening price is little, long shadow. So based on this, Nathan, I think you actually pointed out a shooting star. So that's a hammer pin bar. Okay. And then over here, which is a shooting star, is the reverse. So if we look back at this one's upside down. So would you guys think that that's more like a shooting star? You see that?
Or
See
an
how it's
inverted
like,
hammer since it's bearish, bullish.
say it again?
Or an inverted hammer since it's bullish.
Oh, I see what you're saying. Is that a shooting star would be bearish? Shooting star bearish pin,
It's not in there.
not in there. Why is it not in there? Yo,
Whenever
okay, then it's
I
gotta be part of
got
the bigger
to-
pattern.
I got to week 2, day 4, and I'm going, there's stuff in here that's not in the Bible, and I cannot find it, and it's throwing me off because it says it's this, but it says this. And I had a time with week 2, day 4.
Hey, at least we're moving forward, right? Okay, where did the hammers one go? Hold on. Even though Nathan can't talk, he can only text. He's very quick, quick. Okay, so wait, that's the evening star. Where did the hammer one go? There we go. Okay. So let's see. The hammer is a reversal candlestick when it occurs at the bottom of a downtrend. The candle forms when sellers push market up, blah, blah, blah. Okay. So let's keep looking. Let's see if we see another one. Maybe I need to. Would this be one? Would you guys consider this one? You see it right here?
Is it at the bottom of a downtrend?
No. Maybe.
That's probably a
No.
hanging.
But is it only a reversal signal at the bottom of a downtrend?
Oh.
Can hammers be anywhere in the market, but only signal reversal depending on its location?
Let's see. The hammer candlestick is created when the open, high, and close are roughly the same price. It is characterized by a long shadow, and that indicates a bullish rejection from buyers and their intention to push the market higher. See the illustration, okay? So the hammer is considered a pattern reversal at the bottom of a downtrend.
It says when it occurs at the bottom of a downtrend.
So what you're saying is that it can be anywhere, but
That's what I think.
the confluence is when it occurs at the bottom of a downtrend. Yeah, like it's
Yeah,
going to be a reversal when it's at the bottom of a downtrend. Am I understanding that right?
that's
All right,
what,
then
yes,
there's
that's
another
what
one.
I think.
You just passed it.
You said I just passed it this way?
Yeah, 3 o'clock straight up. And then 1 over.
Beep, that one?
Yep. And then there's 1, 2 over from that also to the left.
Okay. And here. Oh my gosh. Now I need to get a mouse. There we go. Are you talking about those two right there?
Yes.
Okay. So I guess me seeing this here, I would understand that the market is still going to go up simply because what this description is saying is, that basically the buyers are still pushing the market up. Or the market is pushing the market up. The banks are pushing the market up. Am I saying that right? I think I need more coffee. High and close are roughly the same price. It is characterized a bullish rejection from buyers and their intention to push the market higher. So for me, seeing this, it would solidify that there's still going to be somewhat of an uptrend here, which we obviously can see that actually happened. Okay. Can I turn on? No. Does it have the hammer pin on here?
It should.
There it is. All right, let's see. Negative. We didn't get it, you guys.
I would almost try going back to the FX and selecting the hammer like in its own.
What do you mean? Here?
Okay, so yeah, so yes. And then, oh, how did I get to it? Type in candlestick, or click on candlestick patterns right below. Yes. And then scroll down to the hammer and see if maybe that actually displays them.
And then just enter or exit.
Yes.
Oh, look. Yep. They got them.
Yeah, that all patterns, it can be a little tricky, I feel like.
Yeah. All right. Let's see. Nope. We still didn't get them right.
Will you check Hanging Man?
Wait, what?
Check the Hanging Man back in FX. It's right under Hammer.
FX.
Look at Stephanie knowing her stuff. I love it.
I'm like, what are we doing?
Click on the Hanging
We're
Man.
playing Hangman?
Yeah.
Confuse the heck out of me, yo. All right. Nope. And
That
I
didn't
think,
turn it on. You just favorited it.
wait, hammer, bull.
You may have to actually close out one of those indicators. I would exit.
There you go.
No, never mind. You're fancy.
Nope, that wasn't that either.
Nope. So based on what I see here, I really think it has to do with the shadow, with the actual bottom of it. See how long that is and see how short these are, which is why I think these are invalid versus this one being valid.
Right.
Well, Stephanie can correct me if I'm wrong, but I think the wicks, they need to at least be double the size of the body, like the bottom wicks, and then the top, like slim to none.
Right. That's what I'm
Stephanie, is that
saying
right?
is,
Well,
is-
me being wrong on that, I would have to probably agree.
Ooh, look at us knowing stuff, y'all.
yay, victory, victory, you guys. Okay, so that's really all I wanted to do with you guys today. I just wanted to really give you guys the power to go into these charts and start recognizing these patterns and just how we utilize these tools here to kind of check, right? Are we right? Are we wrong? Did we do, are we recognizing the right thing or not? It's really important to train your eye, right? Because the more that we train our eye, if you were to go here on any chart and do this, 15, 20 minutes, that's really all we took here, and go in and see, okay, I'm going to work on a harami. What does that look like? All right, I think this one's one. I think this one's one. I think that one's one. All right, now let me turn on and see if I'm correct, right? And then you can figure out why you're not correct or why it is that you were correct. That right there, that small little training can really help you with your trading career, right? It's that practice makes perfect type deal. And we really all truly need to empower ourselves to be able to do that so that we're confident. And this all translates to sharing the business with others, right? When you start to be more confident in what it is that you're seeing, you're able to share this a lot more easily with others. Don't forget, you can take a screenshot of this, post it in your stories. Please follow the rules that were just put out, I think yesterday, maybe the day before. Follow those rules. But for the most part, you can put a marked up chart as well as the results after your markup. You can talk about your self-learning in the industry, all of that stuff. So use this, especially if you want to get your 3 and free, right? You should be doing that pretty much every day, sharing with the world what it is that you're doing and what it is that you're learning. So that is it for today. Did you guys want me to go over anything else before I close out this chart? Yes, no, yes, no. All right, let me go ahead and stop the recording.